Yo, what's going on? It's your boys right here. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like fire drill, subscribe to our YouTube channel right
we
here.
do fire drill reviews and a rate.
Once a month, at least. Actually, it's once
every week.
every day. Thank you.
I give this one about
He's onto us. He's onto us. Run.
When we get in there, I'll give my formal review.
Right.
All right, we're on the move, trying to get some warmth because, as you guys know, the frigid Norwegian winters can be.
That's why they call Norway the Windy City.
Yeah. We're heading to the nearest shred of civilization.
Yeah.
Alright, so here, let's find a spot.
Alright. Yeah, just one of those tables.
Alright, well, there have definitely been better fire drills.
Yeah.
I'll give that one a 3 out of 10. It was pretty
3
loud.
out of 10.
Pretty loud.
3 out of 10.
I was not ready for the volume. And then on the way out, it was very clearly a different volume. It was a lot quieter in the lobby, so I think that's some inconsistencies with your fire alarm, which is not something you look for. You want it to be uniform.
Right.
It came at midnight, so it could be worse. Could have been like 5 in the morning, but still not ideal, you know. Second time in 2 days, that's got to factor into it. Yeah, I'm sticking with 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
So if you like this video and want to see videos like it, be sure to subscribe. We do daily fire drill and fire alarm review videos. So
sometimes we do reaction videos as well.
yeah, this is our video. We'll upload one tomorrow reacting to us watching this video.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe.